Hello everyone, this is my seedling rack, which can grow up to 960 vegetable seedlings in this space of 0.5 meters in length, 0.3 meters in width, and 1.2 meters in height. This time we mainly grow different varieties of lettuce, as well as red leafy vegetables. The seedling rack adopts ARZ2 special grow light for seedling raising, with low light without lens version, and high light lens version. The high light version of the seedlings grows faster. The seedlings will be transplanted to the hydroponic culture rack after they grow up, which is used to compare and test the grow light. This time, in addition to comparing the spectrum, we will also compare the power consumption of the product. The optimized lighting fixtures have higher PPFD illumination and lower power consumption. We will test the optimization results here. Let's witness together.